Hello friends, today's topic is delete a node in end of circular linked list. Let's start. We discuss this program part in previous video. Please pause the previous video and after watch this video. I give the link of previous video in description box. We start this program from this point. Let's start. Void delete a node in end and this is a function. Star temp and star pre is a node type pointers. Then temp equal to star mean temp the address of star is allocated in temp mean temp point the this node. While temp next is equal to star not equal to star mean the at the value of next is not equal to star, then loop execute again. Both values are true, both values are same, then loop is terminated. Let's pre equal to next, pre equal to temp mean the address of temp is allocated in pre point the this node. See out temp data mean temp point the this node and this node contain the data 8 display in our screen. Pre loop execute again, loop the condition of loop is check again. Temp next if not equal to star means this condition is true, then both values are not same, then loop is execute. Pre equal to temp mean, sorry this line is missing. Temp equal to temp next mean temp point the this node and this node, this block contain the address of this node mean temp point the this node. Pre equal to temp means the address of temp is allocated in pre mean pre point to the next node and this link is removed. See out temp data mean temp point the this node and this node contain the data 9 and 9 display in our screen. And temp equal to temp next mean temp point the this node, this block and this block contain the address of next node mean temp point the this node, this link is removed and temp point the this link. And condition check again, temp next not equal to star, this condition is true, then loop execute again. Pre equal to temp mean temp the data of temp is allocated in pre means the address of temp is allocated in pre point the this node and this link is removed. And pre point the next node. See out temp data mean temp point the this node and this node contain the 10 value and 10 is displayed in our screen. Let's temp equal to temp next, temp point the this node and this link is removed. This link is removed and temp point the this node. Again condition check, temp next not equal to star, the condition is false, then loop execute again because the value of star is equal to temp next, then loop is terminated. See out temp data, temp point the this node and this node contain the data 11. 11 is display in our screen. Pre next equal to star means pre point the this node and pre next contain the address of first node, and the first address of first node is allocated in next. The data is allocated. That this link is removed. Free temp. The temp is free. And memory is released. This block is point the this node. Let's be execute this program. We enter the value. We enter the value of node is 4. First node value is 8, second is 9, third and last is 11. The linked list is created. The last number of node is 11. Then we want the last node is deleted. Then the linked list is display, and first node of this linked list is 8. This linked list is circular. It is proof. Thank you so much.